What's up, ladies? I'm back again with another nail review. This product is the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Extension Kit. Now, it says gel polish, it's actually polygel, okay? I purchased this from Amazon. And let's just go through what you get when you purchase. You get the extension gel application guide. It's just basically a basic guide that shows you how to apply the product. Okay, so you get that. You get forms. I'm just going to open the forms for you so you can see how they look. And they're numbered from 0 to 11, but that's how they look. Okay, so those are the forms. You get your foundation base gel. You get 4 polygel. You get 1 clear. You get a white. You get a light pink, and you get a dark pink. Under the second layer of products, you get a top coat. You get your slip solution, 2 files, and your brush. So I'm going to open the brush. It should be double-sided. Get the brush side. And you get the spatula side. Okay, so I haven't used this kit yet. So I will open up my gel, my polygel, and I will show you how they look. Let's swatch these 4 gels. Okay, ladies, let's get into these polygel polishes. So we have the clear. Let's see what this clear looks like. Pretty self-explanatory. Clear is clear. Now I really want to see what the white looks like. Okay. And this is number 3, the pink. And number 4, the dark pink. This is the real reason why I bought this kit. I hope it is dark as I want it to be, because I want to do pink and white. So hopefully you can see it better on a white background. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that concludes my review of the Beetles Polygel Kit. In my next video, I will show you the look I create with this polygel kit. So stay tuned.